Hi, today I'm gonna share a story of one of my journey which I've conquered, made it to the destination, but I consider it to be an incomplete journey. You must be wondering why. Watch me share my experience of this incomplete journey, where I ride to a place called SAMJHO Valley with my friend Dhruva. Yes, it's my Dirang story.
What's up, everybody? What's up? It's been a long time. It's Wednesday, 8th of July, and today I'm on my way to Arunachal Pradesh. I'm going with Dhruv. He's somewhere ahead of me. लड़का पीछे क्या है, कौन आ रहा है, कौन नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं देखता है. So अभी हम लोग पहुंचे आमीनगांव में. Avilash and he will be going till Bhadachariali, and then they will be coming back home, and we'll go to Arunachal Pradesh. So we just had our breakfast and we are about to leave, and we are at this place called Bezera.
Happy and safe journey.
Thank you. We will be taking a U-turn from here to Guwahati, and thanks him and Avilash for dropping us till here. Ja, bye bye. Chaliye. Dirang is on. Ja, thank you. Aja. So inner line permit na? Hello Arunachal Pradesh. Be good to us.
खोए खोए सोए से हैं हम, खुशी और गम के साए में गुम, सुबह में ढूंढे वो रात का अंधेरा, रातों में देखे हम चांद को.
Kalaktang is around 54 kilometers, and it's gonna take around 2 hours, and then we'll head towards Bomdila from Kalaktang. Another 2 hours means 4 hours. You can say 5 hours, because हम व्यू का लुत्फ उठा के जा रहे हैं, ड्रोन शॉट ले लेके. I hope you guys like the drone shot which I took just now. Well, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो चलते हैं. ध्रुव भाई पीछे पीछे, और ये क्या है? डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर. ओके, बी केयरफुल. स्लश. Okay, gotta be careful in here. जाओ भाया जाओ, मुझे पैर नीचे डालने का मन नहीं है. डालना ही पड़ेगा लग रहा है.
Game over.
गया. कैसा था?
Just smile, smile, the stars? Now could I fall in love with the trees? Now could I fall in love with the flowers? Now could I fall in love with the bees? Now could I fall in love with the world? Now could I fall in love with my girl? Now could I fall in love with it hurt? Now could I fall in love?
This rain, I saw this beautiful place. I saw this beautiful place, and I'm going there right now. Look at the river, man. I mean, this bridge, you know, the view. Woo! Bro! Amazing. It feels like I'm going with the water. We are 24 kilometers before Rupa and we have stopped somewhere because of the rain, and I saw the beautiful place, and so I want to show you guys, give it a view, and I hope you guys like it. Have a look. This is Suspension Bridge. Yep. Struggle. Huh? God bless me. आगे भी खराब है क्या? ब्लॉक हो गया? ये देखिए लैंडस्लाइड। अभी मेरे ऊपर पत्थर नहीं गिरने से ही अच्छा है। One of the drivers said that this road has been blocked since last night, and I guess our journey has come to an end. हाँ? क्या? कौन सा है दिरंग का शॉर्टकट? हम लोग जहाँ पर रुका था ना, उसका आगे एक रास्ता है ना, ऊपर से जो गाड़ी ऊपर जा रहा था, वो रास्ता। ये कहाँ खुलेगा?
We changed our mind and we rode to Dirang via Morshing, and we realized Auntie was right about its road condition. But we made it. We made it to the destination we planned, the place called Sangti Valley in Dirang. I fell in love with this place and its people. That's all I had from this trip to Dirang, as I lost my action camera during this trip. Well, I don't regret losing my camera. I regret losing the moments which I've captured. And even if I try 100 times to express my feelings towards that place, I'll still fail.